Yo, 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 it's Cinderella, so what up? Today I'm going to show you how to make a double-waisted sweatpant, which is basically putting pants or shorts into a sweatpant and sewing them together. So you have your sweatpants, and this is what we're going to sew inside. So you're just going to put these right inside the sweatpants you're sewing them to. Shake them around, and then decide how far up you want the second waistband to be. I'm going to make it pretty close, just like that. So you're going to take some thread and pull out the length of your arm, just because you don't want to sew with too much thread or it will get tangled. Now you can cut this thread at an angle like that, and then grab any regular sewing needle and put the thread through this tiny hole in the top of the needle. I promise you this might be the hardest part of the whole thing, and it's not even that hard. Now you're going to pull it until the ends meet at the bottom, and now just smooth out the thread with your fingers. Now what we're going to do is find the side seam of the inside pants and the side seam of the sweatpants, and you're going to make sure that they are lined up. So here's that side seam and that side seam, and you're going to hold them together. So you're going to just pinch them together or like that, and then flip them over. And that's where you know we're going to be doing our first stitch, is where your fingers are pinched like that. So we're going to go down and out through the fabric of the inside pants and the first layer of that sweatpant waistband. So we're not going through the whole waistband, just that one layer on this side. So you don't need to go through the elastic of the waistband. So you're going down and up like this with your needle, and then you'll pull your thread through, but not all the way through, just enough so there's some hanging out. And now we're going to go back through those same holes, through the pants and that one layer of the sweatpant waistband, and then out near the same area. And when you pull this, it creates a loop of thread like that. So when you put your needle through that loop and pull it closed, it locks it in place. So we're going to do that again 2 or 3 times, making 2 or 3 knots that really lock your thread in place. So you just pull it, put your needle through that loop of thread before you pull it shut, and that knots it. One more time, making one more knot. And now you have these 2 pants locked together. So you can flip them over and make sure that you have them looking how you want, and just keep holding them together with your hands. And then when you flip it over, you know where to sew. So to sew them together, we're just going to go down and out through the fabric. Just making sure you're going through the sweatpants, but not all the way through to the other side. Just through that one layer. And then you can pull your thread through and you have a stitch. Now you're also going to want to do a back stitch, which means you just go back 1 step and then out near the same hole you already came out. And this also locks your thread in place as you sew. We're just going to keep doing that all the way around the waistband. So you're going to go down and out like that, and then pull your needle through. When you get close to the middle, make sure that those 2 waistbands are nice and lined up at the front before we sew them together. Every now and then do a back stitch, meaning you go back a step and then out near that same hole you already came out. Since we're running out of thread, this is a good time to make at least 3 knots and then cut off our thread and rethread our needle. So I'm just making 3 knots on top of each other, and then you can cut off your thread. And we're going to rethread our needle. This time I'm going to use white thread just in case that's easier to see. So I'll pull out the length of my arm, cut it at an angle, and we'll put the new thread through this hole in the needle. So we'll go right back to where we left off, which was around the center seam, and we will go down and out through the fabric. We're going to make 3 knots, so pull it through but not all the way. Then you're going to go back through those same holes again, making this loop of thread. Put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. And we'll do that at least 3 times. And we're just going to do the same thing all the way around. Down and out. We're almost at the other side seam, and that's a place where we're going to make sure to do knots on top of each other. And it's okay if you have to rethread your needle a couple times. It's just easier to sew with less thread. So now we're close to a side seam, so you can flip it over and make sure we're lined up with the side seam of the sweatpants, and just kind of pinch them together to make sure they're nice and lined up. And then we're gonna do 3 knots just to make sure they're locked in place. So you go down and out and pull until it's a loop, put your needle through the loop, and it locks it in place. We can do that at least twice. Now all we have to do is sew all the way around the back and we're done. Okay, so we've sewed all along the back and we're almost back to where we started on the side seam. And now here we are back at the side seam. So we're just gonna sew right into the seam, do a couple knots, and we're all done. So to do the knots, you're just coming out the same hole you already came out, pulling your thread to get that loop, put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. Perfect, so we have 3 knots. Now we can cut off our thread. And when we look at them from the other side, you have these cool double waistband sweatpants. They're gonna be so warm and comfy. Yeah. Thank you for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.